Peace. We just gonna hop right into it. No need for formalities. So the reason why we're here is like the message of health. Heal thy, heal thee, heal thyself. Your body has the ability to heal itself. Look up Dr. Sebi. Look up Queen Afua. So many other people I could name if I really want to think about it, but those are huge names, powerful names. If you don't know them, now you know, and you should go look it up. They preach this. I mean, rest in peace, rest in paradise. Dr. Sebi, they killed him. Yes, your body has the divine God source given, gifted ability to heal itself, as long as you are living in the rules that govern your body. You know, there's certain rules and laws that we have to abide by being in this physical realm as humans. You know, there's gravity, and if you try to go against gravity, you fuck yourself up. There's reciprocity. If you give more than you receive, you're drained. If you receive more than you give, you got a whole bunch of stagnant energy and you're just stuck. Like, think of hoarders, people who just have shit that they don't even use. And when you break down the word, break down the spelling, spell it, heal thyself. What does it look like? It looks like, of course, the food you eat. Like, if you don't know by now, what you eat matters. You know, you don't gotta be a fruitarian. You don't have to fast. Even if you've never fasted a day in your life, whatever it is, put some intention, some consciousness, some mindfulness, some love. You know, when you love someone, you give them gifts with intention, things that matter, things that will aid them, that they like, that will give them joy and stuff. Do that for yourself. And this be a message to me too. I be having this battle too. Like, love yourself more than you like the pleasure and stimulation of whatever is not good for you, and be having you on a toilet or whatever. You know, like, oh, I was in the store the other day and I saw some hot fries. I was so tempted to buy them. Only thing that stopped me is because I've been like 90% eating like fruits and vegetables and fruit fast. But yeah, I saw the hot fries, so tempted. And that's like, yeah, hot Cheetos was good, hot puffs for sure. But hot fries, them things, they would still have a chokehold on me if I didn't love myself more, if I didn't love my booty hole more. Like, because first of all, it gotta be cracking there, like the addiction. And then like the texture, that puff, but then they fry, so they, and then the powder. The memories is enough sometimes, but sometimes, you know, I may indulge. So yes, food. Have intentions, have consciousness, have devotion and love and purpose for what you're eating. Specifically, if nothing else, where you're eating it from. Like gas stations, fast food, Walmart, Meijer. Walmart and Meijer is like the fast food of meat. Like, you know, getting your meat and dairy and all that stuff from there. Like, buy local. There's so many farmers out here. There's so many people growing food out here. There's farmers markets. Like, if you're gonna eat everything, at least be intentional on where you're getting your meat from. Fake meat, lab grown meat, that makes me not want to eat meat. I mean, I'm mostly called not to eat meat, but that's for me in my journey. I know that it's not, you know, the journey for everybody in this lifetime. I accept that. That's that on that note. Of course, music, media, what you pay, what you are investing your energy into. We all know things that you hear, things that you feel, things that you think and believe, all those things influence your well-being. You know, people be depressed out here and don't know why. Because like all that stuff is energy exchanges and just information, and you're constantly taking in other people's beliefs, and we are constantly being conditioned some way or another unless you're tapped into your own intuition and your direct connection with source creator. Yeah, be intentional with the music that you're listening to. And again, like, it's not calling for perfectionism. Like today I definitely was listening to some fuckboy music because I was in my feelings. Like mindfulness, consciousness. I swear that's the purpose of life. It's just consciousness, mindfulness, all the other shit. I mean, of your gifts, of course, your and how you wish to experience this life. But yeah, food, media, people. Yeah, people be out here making you sick physically, but also metaphysically, feeding you energy, feeding you their expectations, their desires, how they see you, who they see you to be, who they think you are. Like people are we're constantly being conditioned. We are constantly taking in information. We are also constantly putting out information and energy as well. But yeah, people be out here making you sick just by their words. Something I'm realizing, like, really just been having to shut people up, and like, I can feel it. Like, I can feel the energy that's being placed on me just from words. Like, you know, it may be well intended or whatever their intentions are. People be making you sick out here mentally, physically, spiritually, energetically, all that environments. Environments for sure, because this land, this state where I am on this earth right now has been super healing and giving so much. I've been so connected with my ancestors in just the natural world and the spirit world. But the physical motherfuckers on this land, loving people, I've had a great time here, but just something about the foundation of this place is draining. So yeah, food, media, people, environments. Those are the four I'm gonna give you right now. Thank you for listening. Until next time, peace.